Stop! I'm trying to get shit. On God. Nosy!
Ain't ever gonna get it out of the ship, bro. Bro's gonna be locked in the brick for your turn.
Come here.
I swear to
Come here.
More karma.
Tide
Yeah.
of dark tides? More like tide of dark strides.
More like try to.
Okay,
You're
How do we
absolutely
drop-
right. We missed the
Oh,
most
got
important jewel of all. It's Brendan.
I swear. I'm going to murder.
He's done. It's time to leave her.
Imagine losing all that emissary
Are we
value
just
because
gonna
Nosy took a hot
set
fiery
the
shit.
entire boat on fire
Yeah.
or something?
Leave her, Johnny. Leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny.
We need one more boat.
Leave her. Brendan, come on the island and vote.
No.
Who's burning down the ship
Send Mr.
right
Cool
now?
over.
Fucking
Mr. Cool.
collector's doing it.
Yo,
Yeah.
show him the fireworks.
Raccoon.
Wait,
Go vote.
I don't have any throwables.
Go onto the island and vote to close the emissary.
Okay, I'm gonna do
Oh my
that.
God.
I'm coming down.
Wanna know something crazy? You could probably
My
fully
balls.
counter a dude with epilepsy
Not
with
the
white
flares.
signal flares.
Fuck the flares. Stop sending up flares.
Yeah, Brendan. Stop sending up flares. Because the only light I need in this world is you. Get over here.